Welcome to Solid Signal's review of the Channel Master CM-7004 converter box. That's right, this is an old school converter box like you used to see 10 years ago when you needed to convert your old tube television to work with new digital broadcasts. But there's more to it than that. Yes, you can use it to make an old television work or use a monitor for live TV, but you also get an on-screen program guide, a free no-cost DVR for your antenna TV, and it even gives you the ability to pause live TV. Let's take a look. First thing you'll notice is some really nice retail packaging. I'm talking about matte black with a shiny black logo on it. This is the kind of thing that really makes you feel good about your purchase. You don't find good retail packaging much anymore because everything's on the internet, but you do find it here. Taking a look at it and opening it opens up very satisfactorily. You see the converter box right away in some cellophane and, some nice black cardboard around it. Underneath all of that, of course, you get your remote, you get your power adapter, and you get your instructions. The box itself is actually very reminiscent of DirecTV's Genie clients. It's about the same size and has rounded corners. It's completely black. It's picking up some blue from the things around it, but really very high build quality, very nice looking. Looking at it closer, you see the ports on the back, which is what we really care about. Antenna input followed by an output to go to an old school television, and composite jacks if you're going to try to record or something like that. HDMI output will let you go all the way out to an HD TV, and a USB port for use as a DVR. The last bit is where the power plugs in. You get a really high quality remote here. Even if you take a very close look at it, you can see there's some very nice patterning on it. It's backlit throughout. Really, this is a high quality unit and very surprising for something in this price range. Channel Master did a great job here. Now that we've taken a look at the outside, let's take a look at how this little box sets up and actually goes on about its business. It's actually pretty easy. Plug it in, and the prompts are very easy to follow. Color buttons and arrows are used throughout. Once you begin a channel scan, you're going to be impressed, just like I was, by the quality of the tuner here. This is an extremely high quality tuner. This is the best tuner that I've seen since the CM-7001 in this price range. Honestly, very impressive work here. You get a very generous, very well designed, easy to read on-screen display that lets you scroll through channels and also tells you just about everything that you could possibly want to know about the channel that you're watching. The on-screen guide is honestly better than most of the guides that you'll find on a lot of cable boxes, and all of this data comes in for free. That's right, it's all picked up through just plain old antenna signals. It's called the PSIP system, and while it only generally gives you about a day worth of guide data, it does give you some really comprehensive information. You can navigate the guide easily, pick the channel that you want, go straight to it. What's nice about this device is you can use it as a simple DVR. Just hook up a flash drive or hard drive between 16 gig and 128 gigs in size. Pretty much any of them will do. Connect a USB hard drive or flash drive, and it's going to take a little bit of time to set up. About a minute, give or take, would be my experience. It takes about 2 gigabytes of data per hour recorded, so choose wisely. You can find an inexpensive 1 terabyte hard drive very, very quickly if you search online, and I'd recommend going that direction. Creating recordings is easy just by pressing the record button. You can create recurring recordings, but you can't do it by guide like you can with a cable or satellite DVR. You can do it by time, kind of like an old school VHS tape, which is really all you need for something like this. You will want to go into the menu right away, go down to Settings, and choose Enabled under Time Shift. This is what's going to give you the ability to pause live television, and that's actually a big part of this box, is that you can pause live TV. You get a nice progress bar like what you see here, and that gives you the ability to take a quick break, rewind, fast forward, that sort of thing, and it's a big value when it comes to this particular unit. Even if you already have a tuner in your television, you might want to consider picking up one of these devices because the tuner inside it is so nice and strong. It's probably stronger than the one in your TV, so you're going to get a better experience. The Channel Master CM-7004 is a great value, and of course it's available at solidsignal.com.